When did you know you were going to be a writer, Glenn?
I was really little. I was like 9 or 10 years old. I actually, at first, I wanted to be a fictional character. I distinctly remember wanting to be James Bond or the Hardy Boys or Sherlock Holmes. It was mostly detectives and spies. And at some point around 10 or 11 years old, it occurred to me that there were people who wrote those people that I wanted to be and that life I wanted to live. And I sort of shifted an inch over, but I've never really stopped wanting to be fictional. So that's how writing is for me. It's just an attempt to be fictional at all times.
How did you discover that, oh wait, there are authors here and I want to learn more about them?
There was a magazine called Show Magazine at the back in the 1960s, and there was an interview with Ian Fleming, who wrote James Bond, and he wrote an article about how he wrote James Bond, and it blew my mind because there was this person saying how you could create this world with these people in it, and I was like, that's what I want to be. And then Harriet the Spy. Harriet the Spy was a huge influence on me. She wanted to be a writer, and she explored the world around her, and I was like, that's what the job I want. That's the life.
Did your parents try to talk you out of it, or were they encouraging? Oh.
No, my parents were very supportive. I was very lucky in that way. They were scared, they were nervous, but it wasn't like this was an outrageous thing to do. It was just, we hope that you can survive.
Oh, okay.
And there were times when that was in question. They helped me out financially a lot, especially in the many years after college when I was not making any money. I've been very lucky that way. I had a lot of support.